Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Uxtsuki. I know that this sounds like Japanese, but the main idea wasn't to have a Japanese username. But I know this sounds like Tsuki in Japanese means moon, but that wasn't the idea. But okay, whatever. I am a pixel art enthusiast and I love to consume, I love to create, and I just feel, in my opinion, I just got in the true intermediate level of pixel art. Just to be clear, I am kind of pragmatic, and I split how good I am into something into four parts. So we have the beginner, intermediate, advanced, and master. Except the master, each one of them is split into three new categories. So we have the new, the true, and the late. So for example, we have the new beginner, true beginner, late beginner, new intermediate, true intermediate, late intermediate, new advanced, or expert, true advanced, late advanced, and then based on that theory, after 10,000 hours of studying, practicing, etc., you reach the master level of it. And I just feel that I'm now true intermediate, and I have something that kind of upset me. Actually, two things. First is the lack of content for the intermediate level of pixel art, and secondly, rely into the idea how people milk this beginner tutorial for pixel artists, and mainly those who are like, do you want make your pixel art that looks like this into that? Watch the tutorial, and after you watch the whole video, actually they don't explain at all how to take your pixel art into a new level. So this motivated me into make this series, this playlist of pixel art tutorial. And since this is kinda consistent in my pixel art style, I think this probably won't change that much. And I hope I keep my morals and don't milk everything like this. Actually, I hope I create things that interest people and most. So I don't have a script. That is why I would kind of feel like I may sound sometimes a bit like thinking and etc. because I don't have any scripts and I'm just putting all my heart in it. So I will try to make everything like natural. So I won't try to add too much. I won't try to like add background music and etc. because I really want to make like everything smooth like I would like to watch. Alright? P.S. I have to highlight something. It's not like I hate pixel art tutorials and the channels that make them. No, the opposite actually. For example, I think the most valuable tutorials I ever watched, to be honest, are located in two YouTube channels. That is the Pixel Overloaded, and I think that is how it's pronounced, Adam C. Jones. These two artists really explain, dissect, and really make you learn pixel art rather than, as I said, clickbait you. And there are more of them. This, in my opinion, are just the best examples. I do not hate pixel art tutorials. Actually, I don't hate tutorials, and it's very useful. Not only watch tutorials, as well time lapse. I love to watch time lapse. Can see you learn by watching the process of the artist and the breakdown of each stage. Let me put it this way. So you learn a lot from this, and they're great. And most importantly, in my opinion, those specific tutorials like how to make rocks, how to make trees, how to make gemstones, and etc. are the best because you can feel how they are. You can watch how they are made. You can watch the logic behind. You can see where the styles go in and are live out. So I love these kind of specific tutorials. I praise them and I really recommend you to watch, to make, to share whatever you want to do with your pixel art knowledge. But it will be incredible if you share how you do things. So yes, I support tutorials. I would like to see more people make them. Alright? P.S. It's not like I won't talk about really beginners stuff. I will try to be very honest with you and try to show and teach rather than milking all the way up. Okay? So thank you and I see you in the next video.